Welcome back to Learn with Labtech. Today's topic is electromagnetic flow meter, which is very widely used in liquid-based process industries. Every instrumentation engineer must know about this electromagnetic flow meter. This is electromagnetic flow meter. The main advantage is wide variety of liquid and the huge pipeline size. Even in 2 meter, 3 meter pipe also we can easily fix these flow meters, and even we can measure salt water, sewage water, and even alkanes, chemicals, even food grade like milk. And it depends on the material selection. We will depends on the water we will select the materials. So wide variety of liquid can be measured, and especially pure water we will not do this, and rest of all we will do it. Flow rate and accuracy is very high. Flow rate ratio is from 20, maximum to minimum is 20:1, and pressure loss is very less. And also the wide range, minimum 1 inch, 2 inch, half an inch flow meter is also there, to even to 3 meter, 5 meter pipelines. Big size industries are using very big size flow meters, and many industries, almost all water based industries. This is very important instrument. The instrumentation engineer must know about this flow meter and how to manage this. If you take the construction, so this is actually the material, body material is made up of carbon steel. This one is made of carbon steel, and this is made of SS steel, stainless steel, and this is called this is PTFA material. This is flow inlet, and this is flow outlet. One side the pipeline can be, so the pipes can be fitted inside this, and there is a inbuilt transmitter, and this can be set with current flow and total flow also, and voltage is it is working in around maybe it is working maybe 24 volt or 230 volt. Output can be 4 to 20 milliamps, or hot output, or 485 output. Anything we can specify based on our requirement. The manufacturer will do for us. And there are some electrodes within the flow meter, or even it can be placed in the remote locations also, because this output can be transmitted to any controller only. So this is the backside for remote transmit, and this is the line and neutral for input supply. This is 230 volt working flow meter, and this is 485A and B for Modbus communication and COM, and I out. This is if you want 4 to 20 milliamps you can take from this, and if you want voltage output you can take from this here. So this is the what is the flow rate and what is the total flow rate, like this. There is the menu, we can set our parameters. So this is the flow meter. This is SS grade, and this is food grade. This is food grade flow meter, and this can be used for other applications. Like this is working in electromagnetic. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. There are two field coils fixed in the top and bottom, which will generate the electromagnetic waves. When the water or liquid something is going inside this tube, there will be an electric field is introduced. That field, there are some more electrodes are placed, or 3 electrodes fixed perpendicular to each other to measure this electric field inside the. This electric field is directly proportional to the velocity of the flow of this liquid. This velocity can be multiplied by the area, that is cross-sectional area of this flow meter. Then that can be calculated as the flow rate, volume flow. So that is the volume of the flow that can be transmitted to the controller. So there are two field coils which generate the electromagnetic waves. When the water and flow liquid is flowing inside, that electric field is generated. There are some electrodes placed inside the perpendicular to each other, 2 or 3 or some more number also. It depends on the accuracy. Electrodes are placed. That electrodes pick up that field signals, and that can be multiplied. That is directly proportional to the velocity of the liquid, and that is multiplied with the area, cross-sectional area of this flow meter. That is why the diameter is very important to area, and that is can be the volume of the liquid flow. So that can be transmitted to the controller. So this is how this flow meter is working. So the construction is also very simple. So made of some carbon and for industry there are some certain specifications should be made, IP class, and that is measuring ranges, that is Modbus or co-85 or something, heart or many things they will ask, and the output type they will mention different types, and if you take this material they will define. So based on the manufacturer needs, the manufacturer has to define the specifications. And working wise, this is very simple. Electromagnetic, this is 2 inch, 3 inch. Even we can go to our store, we can see some 8, 10, 12 inch size flow meters, and we'll come back again. So these are all some of the flow meter which are waiting in our store for dispatch. These are all 8 inch, 10 inch, 12 inch sizes. So this is how the flow meters are there. So if you take the size, this is 8 inch size, and this is 10 inch size, and this is 12 inch size. So three different kind of sizes of flow meters are there. If you take one flow meter, this is 12 inch, and this is the flange to fix the pipeline. Screws are provided, nut bolt positions are provided, and inside this there is a electrode. You can see Electromagnetic flow meter. If you could see this, there is a electrode here, and there is an electrode here. So like that there are here. So 3 electrodes are there because for more accuracy. It is a 12 inch now. So that's why these are all the fixture for pipeline, external pipeline. And this is the flow meter and electronic unit, and this is the remote display unit, transmitter unit, remote transmitter, and this is 230 volt operator. So this one is the flow meters. Can fix it in the pipeline. So now we can see how it can be fixed in the pipeline. So yes, what flow meters do? It measures the flow in wide range. That is the advantage. I'll connect in the pipeline, and while they are fixing all these things, I'll take the videos and I will post it. It is very interesting. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy this.